Check.
I'm just gonna dance.
Break.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, I would like to introduce Minnetonka High School Director of Band, the maestro himself, Mr. Miles Mortensen. You know, you would think that for a 50-year-old, 58, I said 58 myself, 58 years, 58-year-old man on the 50-yard line, that the dream of the evening would be throwing the birthday pass. But no, indeed, that is not it. I'm excited about the following things. Working with your sons and daughters all summer was a pleasure. We were so happy to get together and have some time together. We're very excited and happy about our new uniforms. You get to see them. They're being debuted this evening. We are happy that we're in the stadium. We are happy that we get to do, yes, the show in its entirety. No running to set up. And I am especially happy because I'm pretty sure there won't be a ref to yell at me tonight.
We'll see.
So the way the evening is going to work is we'll do a performance of our show that we've been working on this summer. Tony's going to introduce the show. Starting before that, we'll be introducing and recognizing our seniors.
I'm leaving.
So seniors will step forward.
I've got
when their
to.
name is
I'm
called.
being recorded.
Stand up in the stands, turn around and wave to the adoring crowd and take it all in under the lights on a Thursday evening. After that, we have some wonderful clinicians here to work with our bands. They'll be recognized by Tony. And it's going to seem a little bit like kickoff night for football. A little bit hard to understand exactly what's happening on the field. But you'll know that we've concluded our clinics because we'll do another performance of our show. And also squeeze in here, we'll hear from our band reps as well. So a couple of thank yous. Ted Schultz and Paul Tony from the Activities Office. We are so appreciative of all the guidance they gave us and the opportunity to work on the field and practice time and helping us work through the many protocols that are making this a successful season and night for us. We want to thank our principal, Jeff Erickson, who is here in the stands. Mr. Erickson, thank you so much.
Yeah, Jeff?
Very part of us getting new uniforms this year. We want to thank our two head uniform people, Sarah Romick and Amy Wilkinson, just doing a great job with our uniforms, and all the other hands that helped. We also want to give a special shout out to Sandy Dennis, innumerable hours taking pictures of the band. We're going to be sharing with you, we weren't able to show it on the scoreboard tonight, but we'll be sharing a link with you on YouTube, a wonderful slideshow, pictures and music of our students, so look for that today or tomorrow. It is quite wonderful, so we're in for a treat.
Holy, my whole arm, my whole leg just went numb.
Yes.
It's going numb, my whole leg's going numb. And
Go on to the next part. All right, so we want to thank Matt Otto for helping out with the scoreboard tonight. Thank you so much for your help with that. Of course, the voice of Minnetonka, Tony DiLorenzo, thank you very much, sir. And lastly, Andy Smith and the video interns who are taking some video for us and capturing my first gaff on a stream online. There it is, my minute, I think. All right. So
let's go. Focus in, let's go.
And now, on with the show. Tonka 2020, aka Blue Light, features music using the word blue in the title and musically evoking different shades of the color blue. The show features the following music: Blue, Dee Da by Eiffel 65, Rhapsody in Blue by Gershwin, Blue Shades by Frank Tichelli, and Blue Danube Walls by Strauss. Tonight's light version of the show begins with a new take on Blue Dee by Eiffel 65, then shifts to a bluesy rendition of Frank Tichelli's Blue Shades, and concludes with a highly percussive and literal electronically driven reprise of Blue Dee donning their new uniforms publicly for the first time tonight, which features Minnetonka Blue. The Minnetonka High School Marching Band is proud to present their 2020 production. The Minnetonka High School Marching Band is led on the field by drum major Carl Schmidt. And our soloist is Grace Romick on clarinet. The 2020 Minnetonka Marching Band staff include directors Miles Mortensen and Paul Rosen, percussion staff Jake Esterberg, Jack Johnson, and Corey Esterberg, color guard staff Caitlin Barrett and Ryan Mahoney, drill tech Sam Dahl and Simon Roman, visual design Phil Snyder, music arranged by Jake Esterberg, music
Yeah, Jake!
by Miles Mortensen, and percussion written by Jake Esterberg.
Yeah, Jake!
Drum major Carl Schmidt, is your band ready? You may now take the field for your performance.
Four, 8, 9, 11, 4, 8. Oof. Alright, here we go, boys and girls. Focus, focus, energy. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 15, 18, 6, 9, 15, 6, 3, 4, 5, 4, 8. Seven. 4, 8. 12. 4, 8. 12.
Now look, get this guy. Sneak him.